the Format group. To demonstrate the Change Layout tool, first of all I'm going to insert a two-up slide from the Quick Slides. Now from the Format group, if I click on Change Layout, the dialog box will open showing you a preview of each type of slide on the right hand side. Just select the slide type you require and click OK. The Swap Shapes function on the Format group in the Create tab allows you to swap any two shapes on your slide. Select the two shapes you wish to swap and choose Swap Shapes. This also works for text boxes, charts, tables and pictures. When you click the Colors button in the Format group, the Color dialog box will appear. These are the colors that you set in your Preference Manager. There is a standard palette and a matte palette. The matte palette has white borders. If you want to change the color of your shape, select your shape, and from the color palette, choose the color you wish to change it to. To change multiple items in your slide, select the object, and from the Format group on the Create tab, from the Select drop-down menu, you can choose by color, by line, or by shape. I'm going to choose by color. All objects of that color will be selected, and then I can recolor them from the color palette. If I wanted to include my top object, I can use by shape, and this is much quicker than lassoing, which would include the line, or holding down the Shift key as you click. To recolor your map, like the standard color palette, when you hover over a color, the name is displayed. Select the map, choose the country that you wish to change the color of, and choose the color. The chart drop-down in the Format group is covered in a separate tutorial. The Make drop-down in the Format group allows you to make an object the same height, the same width, or take on all the attributes of the item selected. To make two objects the same, first of all ensure your object is how you want it to look. Then select the object you want to apply the same settings to. From the Make drop-down, choose Same Width, and the width will be applied. Same height, and the height will be applied. Or if you choose All Same, the text attributes will be applied as well. And using native PowerPoint, align your objects. If you lose the title of your slide, you can apply it to text already in your document. Select your text, and from the Make drop-down, choose Title. To add a subtitle to your document, once again select the text, and from the Make drop-down, choose Subtitle. Native PowerPoint automatically makes fractions for half, quarter, and 3/4. If you want to make a fraction out of another number, select your text, and from the Make drop-down, choose Fraction. When you click this button, the Format task pane will appear. You can apply these formats to selected text. These formats are based on the customization of your Preference Manager. You can also use the Create Formats pane to format text within your table. Select the text you want to apply the formatting to, and select the style. Select the text and select the style. These styles are based on what you have set in your Preference Manager. Remember, if you do get stuck, go over to the Create Help drop-down and choose Create Help, where all your questions will be answered. Enjoy using Create.